Hello, mga kagilas ko dyan. Sa wakas, no? Sa wakas, nanalo na rin ang Gilas Pilipinas laban sa the mighty All Black ng New Zealand, no? I think we snapped an 8th game, no? Losing streak sa kanila. Wow. We beat the number 22 rank team sa world, no? Ang New Zealand. Ang Gilas is ranked number 34. So, wow. Talagang wow. Nakaka-proud maging Pinoy. Dahil yung effort, no? Yung effort ng samahang basketballista ng Pilipinas at PBA at UAAP, NCAA, and all other basketball organization dito sa Pilipinas nagkaroon na ng fruits, no? At we now lead the bracket sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers, no? Sa second window ng FIBA Asia qualifiers, we now led the bracket at 3-0. So we have next second game of the bracket of the second window ngayong November 24, no? Sa MOA pa rin. At ito naman ay laban sa Hong Kong, no? So pag nanalo tayo, pasok na tayo, no? Or at least malaki na yung chance na pumasok mismo sa main draw ng FIBA Asia Cup, no? Kasi ito FIBA Asia qualifier, eh. So malaki na ang chance, or at least pag nanalo pa sa Hong Kong, pasok na tayo sa FIBA Asia Cup, no? Doon na yung mababracket lahat yung mga pumasok from different brackets, no? I think bracket C tayo, no? Bracket C sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. So anong nangyari, no? Anong nangyari? The All Black led, no? The All Black led before the first quarter. They led 22-20, no? Behind the torrid shooting of the All Blacks, no? Si Webster, galing. Talagang they're really deadly shooters, to be very specific. Wow. Their 3-point shot was really above. I think they were more than 50% shooting for field goal shooting percentage sa 3 points for this game, no? Above 50%, no? I think 18 for 35, no? 18 for 35. Wow, very very torrid shooting. Kung hindi lang dahil sa Twin Towers ng Gilas, because the Blacks provider scoring punch outside, no? For especially on the 3, while the Gilas kabaliktaran na nga nangyayari ngayon, eh. Dati Gilas tried to shoot it outside, eh. Ngayon Gilas was pounding it inside with Kai and Junmar, no? At yung mga layup ni no, yung mga timely layup ni Scotty Thompson at ni Carl Tamayo, no? I think Carl Tamayo also has some pretty good looks inside. So yun yung pambawi ng Gilas, no? Sa torrid shooting outside ng New Zealand, si Gilas naman, they were pounding the ball inside, no? They're really trying to put the muscle inside with 7'3" Kai Soto and 6'11" Junmar Fajardo. Wow. So injured pa si AJ Edo nun, wala pa siya, no? Talagang parang time change, no? You would see the new Gilas players, no? After the second period, it was already tied 45 all, no? After the second period, no? 45 all. Doon na tayo umarangkada sa third quarter, no? Marangkada ang Gilas sa third quarter at lumamang ang Gilas after 3 ng 9 points, 72-63, no? at natapos ang laro with Gilas 93 and the New Zealanders at 89. So apat na puntos ang kalamangan. The New Zealand was really putting up a very good, very torrid 3-point shooting, no? Or at least an outside shots, no? At nakasabay lang ang Gilas na nung sa fourth quarter, nung last few minutes ng fourth quarter, when nagkaroon ng back-to-back 3-pointer si Newsome tsaka si Justin Brownlee, no? That put them, I think, put them 7 points, no? 7 points lead. No? 7-point lead. So, pero humabol pa, bumalik pa ang New Zealand, no? Bumalik pa ang New Zealand. It just so happened na napasok ni Kai and at least ni Kai man ni Newsome yung and yung free throw din ni Justin, no. Nag-miss pa nga ng dalawang free throw si Justin eh. At yung tapos na foul uli siya and napasok lang yung dalawa, so that provided them the eventual score. So yun, I think it was really a very good game for Gilas. We showed, no? Gilas showed that they can now compete internationally. I think it's really high time for the Gilas program to be rejuvenated again, and we have a lot of new players coming in as well, no? Because si Junmar is already 35 years old, no? So he has how many years left na lang, no? For if we go to the Olympics, I think hindi na makakasama si Junmar dyan. He will be about 39 by then. Tama ba? Yeah, he will be 39 by then. So I doubt if he will already be there. So I think it's high time for the Philippine Gilas program to develop new players, no? Because again, we have the streaks already to say that we can compete internationally. We have beaten Latvia, I think the ranked number 9 team, no? Yes, we have beaten Latvia, no? The ranked number 9 team. Then we have beaten we have come toe to toe with Brazil, no? Then we lost to Georgia by 1. I think Brazil, Georgia, Latvia, these are top, at least within the top 12 teams, no, in the world. I think Brazil is number 12, Latvia is number 9, no? I think Georgia is something within that range as well. I forgot the ranking of Georgia. We beat China already and Iran in Asia. So I think even though we're ranked number 34 right now, but I think we have already proven na we can fight toe to toe with these guys, given the right program, given the right time, and given the exposure and given the experience that we have, and at least also the team that we have, no? So it also is the right time right now to push in the button and rev it up, no? Because I think with the win right now, we are now 3-0, and I think we are locked in to go past the qualifiers and move to the FIBA Asia Cup already. So we need to bolster our team with new blood, no? At least to be prepared, because eventually our old guards will be out, no? Our old guards will be out, especially Japet and Junmar. I think Japet is nearly going out already. He was just prevailed upon by coach team to stay for now, but I think Japet would be out already, no? I mean, nearing out already for the Gilas program. He's old already. I mean, he's already past 35. I think 37, something on that number. So with Japet and Junmar nearing the end of their Gilas stay, I think we have new players to come up. So with Kai, with AJ Edu, and I think there's another one from UAP, from the UP Maroons, Quentin, no? Quentin Meliora Brown, QMB, no? So this is a 6'10", 6'10" legit center player, no? Who plays for NCAA Vanderbilt, no? That's a new team, that's a new guy. That should be part of the program already. So what I'm saying here is we don't rest our laurels now that we won over New Zealand, but we have to bolster our team to compete again for the next qualifiers, because I think we can beat Hong Kong on November 24. So that would give us like a 4-0. I'm knock on wood. I'm just saying that we're better than Hong Kong. So that would put us 4-0. So that would put us already at the FIBA Asia, no? So with that, we have to develop, no? We have to develop our young team, no? Our next generation of Gilas players, because we cannot rely on the old guards. Eventually, our old guards will retire. Eventually, our old guards would say goodbye to Gilas, and we have to have players to come in for that program, no? So that the continuity, no, the continuity of the Gilas program will be there. So, guys, with the win today, no, with the win tonight, 93-89 win over the New Zealand team, that give us more hope, no, and honestly, that give us more pride that we can now combat and fight toe to toe with FIBA Asia and Oceania group, no. So yes, we're hoping that the program would continue, and again, good luck to the next game against Hong Kong. Go for the 4-0, so that I think the next qualifier will be in February, no, in February. And I think we will be fighting in February with Chinese Taipei and with I think another New Zealand. No, I think we will be fighting Chinese Taipei and New Zealand in their home court. So, but with that, I think we're already pretty much secured to go to FIBA Asia Cup. So, kudos to Justin for a 26 points, 10 rebound performance today. And to Kaiju, no, Kai Soto, with I think a performance of 19 points, 10 rebounds, and 7 assists with 2 steals and I think 2 blocks, no? So a very good performance. So guys, keep up the good work. No, Laban Pilipinas. No, Laban Pilipinas. We're proud of you. Okay? So till the next game on November 24. Bye. Ciao for now. Laban Pilipinas.